Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how can you install the Verizon router, and mainly this video is for those people like who ordered Verizon home internet, and this says they will Verizon will send them the package and you can do self installation the home internet, FIOS home internet. So I ordered that home internet, only home internet, and when I ordered, the customer service says for me no technician is required, everything is there, and they can send a package like I can do self installation and it will start working. So for those people this video is for them, like when they says no technician is required, already previously some technician already did the setup in your house. So now I am taking a new service from Verizon FIOS home internet, and this video is for them, like how can you when you receive the package, and um, how can you install that. So let me, before we do the installation, let me show you what comes inside this box. Here it is saying package contains Verizon router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and Wi-Fi 6 certified. So I'm not sure totally what else is coming, so let me show you that. So this is Verizon router. This is the Verizon router, friends, and the package I ordered, that has like everything is included. This router is also included. So get started. This is the important feature that you need, and let me see what is inside that. This is Ethernet cable. There's something else also in that. This is the power adapter, nothing else. And is there anything else? There's nothing else in the box. So that's the main thing they sent. Only the router they sent, and power cable, and the Ethernet cable, and this is the instruction guide. So let me do the setup. Before that, I'll go through this instruction and I'll show you all the step-by-step process to set up. Friends, at my place I have this box installed, Cat 5. This is for Verizon. Like 2 years back when I had Verizon service, they installed this one. So that's why they said self installation is okay for me. So I'm using this Cat 5 connection to this one. That's it. And the other side of this cable will be going to the router. So before I do the installation, let me show you this router. Here you will see all the information about the router, like Wi-Fi name and password and everything. And here are the ports. So this is where your the internet cable will be connected, and these are extra LAN port, and this is where your power will be connected, power service, DC power, the power adapter. So let me connect the power adapter. So the coaxial cable will go here, and this will be the DC power. That's it. Now I have to put this power adapter to the power line and see. So now I'm connecting to the power adapter. I connected, and you can see you saw that this line is flashing now. So let it get steady. So it is still flashing, but here there is no instruction about this. So let's wait a little bit and see what it says. So friends, when it was flashing, you have to go use this URL. You can directly go to this URL, or you can use this QR code to scan and go to the URL directly, and then you do the setup. Like, it will ask your verification phone number or email address plus your zip code. Then it will uh, verify your account. Then it will activate the router and it will ask you to sign in. And after I did all this, you can see my router, this light is steady now. So I believe the router is active. Let me try to connect to the Wi-Fi, the settings they provided in the back. Let me try to connect with that and see if the router is working or not. Friends, after connecting to the router, it says that no internet when I connected to from phone. So I'm trying to restart the router. So I'm going to restart the router. Let me do that. Just power restart. So I want to see if that gets activated or not, because after I activating my account, I want to just restart the router and see, because when I connected my phone to this router Wi-Fi, it says no internet. There's no internet. So I'm restarting the router and see. And it should actually, previously the light was orange. It should show at least white or steady white or something. There's no instruction, so I'm not 100% sure. Let's see what happens. Let it get steady. So friends, after reading this instruction, here it says if the everything is fine, this light will be solid white. So, and it may take up to 10 minutes to do the setup if the internet is active. Previously when I connected, the internet was not active, so I may have to do like I might have to activate that line first, then do this, because it was a new for me it is a new one. Previously I didn't have the line active. So but for who are replacing this, for them they might have directly connect and it should have worked. So let's wait for it to become solid white. Friends, finally it got fixed. You can see white steady. So what I had to do is I had to call Verizon, because I didn't have service for last 2 years. So what happened is, after I called the automated service, they found the issue and they did some fix from their side and it started working. And once it got started steady, then the router actually did automatic reboot and update the software of the router, and then now I am totally connected to the internet. So my process is done. It took, other than calling, it took 2 minutes, and like, since I'm making video, it takes a little bit longer, but within an half an hour I am done. So it is now working and I am getting the speed. So that's how it is. So you can easily do the installation when you receive this kind of soft device, and you can do like, you don't need to ask the technician to come to your home and give $100 for them. So that's, you can save the money. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.